Hey guys, Scott Donschikowski here, and today we're going to take a look at the 5 keystrokes you should know to speed up your workflow in Lightroom. So let's get to it. All right, so first I just want to say that this does not matter whether you're on a Mac or a PC. Lightroom was designed to work kind of equally efficient on both, meaning that the keystrokes that you're going to use are nearly identical regardless of the operating system you're using. So I'm running on a PC, but the keystrokes that I'm going to point out today are all super easy single keystrokes that you can remember. And again, there's only 5 of them, and they should seriously speed up how you work in Lightroom. So let's get to it. The first one is going to be the G key. G as in girl. And what the G key is going to do is the G key is basically just a get out of jail free card, as I'd like to say it. If you type G on the keyboard, that will get you to the grid view in Lightroom, the grid view in the library module. So again, you just type G. If you are anywhere at all in Lightroom, like let's say you're looking at a photo in Loop View, you're in the Develop module, you are in the Book module, it doesn't matter. If you just slap G on the keyboard, you are very quickly going to get back to the grid in the Library module so that you can see everything that you're looking at super efficiently. So that's keystroke number 1. Keystroke number 2 is one of my favorites, and that is the B key, B as in boy. And what B is going to do is B is going to add a photo that you've selected or highlighted here in the grid view to your quick collection. You do not need to be in the grid to do this. You can be in Loop, you can be in Develop. It doesn't matter like where you are. Whatever photo is selected is, if you type B, that's going to add it to the quick collection. So a lot of people will ask, well, what is a quick collection? A quick collection is just a way for you to quickly isolate photos from all of the other photos that you have anywhere in your computer. So you can see here, I'm looking at 150,000 photos. If I wanted to look very efficiently at photos, when you go out and you take a shoot, you may take 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 photos. You don't want to look at all of them. You only want to look at the ones that you maybe want to process in the future. So to quickly separate those, again, B key. So that's keystroke number 2. Keystroke number 3 is the D key, D as in dog. The D key is used when you quickly want to get to the Develop module. From anywhere in Lightroom, if you just tap D on the keyboard, you will get right to Develop, and then you can start working on your photo. That's keystroke number 3. Number 4 is the R key. Again, from anywhere in Lightroom, if you're in the grid, if you're in Develop, if you're in Maps, Books, Slideshow, Print Web, it doesn't matter. If you hit R on the keyboard, you are going to then boost yourself right into the crop tool. Again, that's the R key, R as in radio. Again, all you have to do is just strike the R key with any photo selected, and that will quickly bring you to the crop tool, and you can quickly crop your photo and get it over with. Once you're finished, you can just hit return and then G and then go right back to the grid. So again, that's the R key for tip number 4. And the final one today is going to be the X key. The X key is used to quickly identify which photos you want to delete at a later time. So people always ask, well, Scott, can't you just, select some photos using the Command or Control key and just select images like this, and then hit delete on the keyboard? Well, yes, absolutely, you can. But this takes multiple keystrokes to get you there. It's way easier when you're viewing your images, like I do, to go through them sort of like this. And then any image you want to keep or process, you hit B on the keyboard to add it to the quick collection, and you move on. Any images that you want to delete at a later time, you just hit X. So you're able to quickly move through all the images you've taken for a specific shoot. All the ones you want to delete, just hit X, X, X. And then if you go to the grid view, you can then see the images that have been tagged for deletion because there's this little black flag. Now, if you want to then delete those images, all you have to do is go up to Photo and then select Delete Rejected Photos. That will take a look at all of the rejected photos that you've selected and then ask you to, if you want to delete them. Super simple. And that's the X key for keystroke number 5. So there you go, guys. That's 5 keystrokes, G, B, D, R, and X. Those 5, you can do a multitude of tasks extremely quickly and efficiently in Lightroom. I hope that helps your workflow. Be sure to subscribe down below. And hit the bell notification so you know when I come out with a new video. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day. Happy shooting. See you soon.